So we're on day 3, something like that. So yesterday we had at it, my wife and I. We took all the windows out. I've unscrewed the other side of the roof because we're gonna have to replace the plywood underneath the tin roof. We are going to go ahead and we're going to replace the rear paneling on this because it's chewed. There's a big rip there. All this crap here, I'm slowly peeling it away. So I think we're just going to replace the back with, I'm not sure what. So yeah, we got quite a bit done. I did end up calling it quits at around 3 o'clock yesterday because I went out for a quick rip on the quad with a couple buddies of mine. I GoPro'd it, so I will be posting a link down below if you want to check it out. Just a quick ride. See, she's a little dirty. But yeah, so today's plan is to finish ripping the back wall of this off. I want to get the tin roof off, and hopefully I can start pulling that plywood off, and I can get in here and replace the rotted wood on these corners here on both sides. Yeah, and then, you know, we took off the jack mounts here. You can see it's pretty killed. So hopefully we can save it, you know, and like this is all buckled here. So, you know, we're in the eye of the storm now, right? And you know, there's no turning back. You know, I'm right now we're 15 steps from the dump. See if we can walk away from it. So yeah, so I'll post again at the end of the day, or I'll make another video and put it together with this one, and it'll sound all weird because, you know, it's like, what the hell is he talking about? But yeah, so that's it. See you soon.